Snapchat Half Swipe Notification 2021. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you and explain you how Snapchat Half Swipe Notification works. Basically on Snapchat, Half Swipe Notification means that if you half swipe the chat on a certain person's chat icon, then you'll be able to read the text messages and see what they have sent without sending them the notification that you have actually read it. Now here, if you open up the app right here, you can see you'll get an interface like this. Now if you head over to chats, now I don't have any chats coming up, but you can see I have snaps coming up. But you remember that you can't see the snaps, but you can be able to see the chats that they have sent. Suppose I want to read a certain person's chat without actually sending them the notification that I have opened it. What I want to do and what you want to do is tap on the profile just quickly and then swipe it to the right. Now here you can see I can open the chat this way, but don't release your fingers and you'll be able to read them quickly here and then swipe it back again. So this way half swipe notification works on Snapchat. You can tap on the person profile and then quickly swipe to right and you'll be able to read the chat and then quickly swipe to left without releasing the fingers, as Snapchat half swipe notifications works this way, and you can be able to read the chats without actually sending them the notification that you have read the chat. However, after the new update, you can't be able to do so and a lot of people are unhappy about the update. So if you are not being able to do so, then it simply means that you have updated the app and Snapchat has already updated and you can't do it anymore. In my case I can do it, but in your case it might not be so. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.